dear friends, welcome back again math session of the standard first. Today we are going to see here page number 29 and today's our topic is comparison of numbers on number line which is 0 to 9. First of all, for the comparison we are using these two signs, these two symbols. Actually these two symbols are looking very small, but these symbols are telling so much about the numbers. So what this symbol shows us? Let's see. We use the symbol greater than for greater than. We can say to the symbol greater than. This is the symbol which 2 points are there and this open angle is there. Which side that open angle is there, that side here greater number, यानी कि बिगर नंबर होगा, एंड दिस साइड इस नंबर से छोटा वाला स्मॉल नंबर होगा. ओके, वी यूज द सिंबल लेस देन और स्मॉलर देन फॉर लेस देन. दैट मीन्स this only one point is there of that angle, single point is there of that angle. Which side this single point is there, that side स्मॉलर नंबर होगा और उसके अगेंस्ट बिगर नंबर होगा, दैट मीन्स ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस नंबर लाइन फ्रॉम 0 to 9. You have to keep remember about 0. You should start the number line with 0. Okay, do not skip that 0. See, before we have seen before, after and between numbers. Okay, but now you have to understand about the greater number and smaller number. Greater means बड़ा वाला number and smaller means छोटा वाला number. You can see this is the after number. After number is 6. Then this 6 is greater than 4. This 6 is greater than 4. क्यों? उस नंबर लाइन पे 4 के बाद वो 6 नंबर आता है, 4 के आफ्टर आता है, और जो आफ्टर वाला नंबर होता है वो इस पिछले वाले नंबर से बड़ा होता है. सो 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 4. 5 इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 4. वाई? बिकॉज 5 इज ऑल्सो आफ्टर नंबर ऑफ द 4. Suppose if we have taken here 0, then 0 is less than all other numbers. 0 has not value, so 0 is always less than other any number. Okay, now see here, just example has given 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. 5 is after number of 4. 5 is after number of 4. So we can say that 4 is smaller than 5. But how we have to write that in the sign, in the symbol, how to use that symbol? You can see here 4 is smaller than 5. This single point is there. This is side of 4 and these 2 points are there of that arrow of that angle. This is open space and this is side of 5. So this open space on which side is there, that is the greater number. Okay, 4 के बाद 5 आता है, उसके लिए 5 is greater than 4. But we can say that 4 is smaller than 5. Now you can see here 4 is smaller than 6. 4 is smaller than 6 because उस 4 के बाद में 6 आता है, इसलिए 4 is smaller than 6. 5 is smaller than 6. We can say that 5 is also smaller than 6. We have seen 4 is smaller than 6. Now 5 is also smaller than 6 because 4 के आफ्टर 6 आता है, 5 के आफ्टर भी 6 आता है. That's why that 6 is greater number, 6 is bigger than this 4. So 6 is greater than 5, otherwise 6 is bigger than 5. in the by using this symbol we can write that's like. Okay students, now go ahead. 6 is greater than 5. How to write 6 is greater than 5? This is the 6. This 6 is greater than 5. 5 is behind number. Behind means पीछे वाला, और पीछे वाला जो नंबर होता है वो हमेशा आगे वाले नंबर से स्मॉल होता है, छोटा होता है. सो आगे वाला नंबर बड़ा होना चाहिए. सो 6 is greater than 5 and 6 is greater than 4 also. 6 is greater than 4 also. 4 is also back number, behind number. सो पीछे वाला नंबर हमेशा स्मॉलर होता है और आगे वाला नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन हमेशा बिगर होता है, ग्रेटर होता है. सो वी कैन से दैट 6 इज ग्रेटर दैन 4 ऑल्सो एंड वी हैव टू राइट बाय यूजिंग दिस सिंबल. दिस इज द ग्रेटर दैन सिंबल. दिस एंगल इज ओपन दिस साइड टुवर्ड्स 6, so this is the greater than, this symbol is there. Then how to read? 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 5. Now here are some examples. Question number 1. Put greater than and smaller than in the box. These two signs symbols are here. These two symbols tells us about the numbers. Okay. Then see here in the first example there is a 3 and 6. Then can you tell me which number is the small? Yes. This is the smaller number. So this is the less. This is the smaller number. Then we can put here the which symbol we can put here? दिस इज स्मॉलर नंबर. देन स्मॉलर नंबर ओनली 1 पॉइंट होगा. उसके स्मॉलर नंबर के बाजू में ओनली सिंगल पॉइंट होगा. दैट इज द सिंगल पॉइंट एंड दिस 2 पॉइंट्स दैट ओपन स्पेस ऑफ दैट एंगल. दिस इज टुवर्ड्स द 6. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज द बिगर नंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. 5 and 2. Obviously 2 is smaller. That's why we have to put this less than symbol. Less than यानी कि smaller than, and this single point we have to do that side towards the smaller number. Now 9 and 1. Of course 1 is smaller, so 9 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 2. 3 is less than 6. Now we can see here fourth number 8 and 7. Which is the bigger number? 8. So this open side of that angle we can do in this 8 direction towards the 8 number. So 8 is greater than 7. Now 3 and 2. Of course 2 is smaller, so 3 is greater than 2. We can say that. Okay, in the next session we will see we will meet again children. Till then, bye.